Do you struggle with procrastination? Do you wish you could be more productive? Isn't it frustrating when you're sitting there, a mountain of tasks ahead, and yet you can't seem to get started? We've all been there. Procrastination can be a tricky beast to conquer. But don't worry, we're here with the solution. We've compiled a list of 10 powerful productivity hacks that can revolutionize the way you approach your tasks. So, stay tuned as we count down the top 10 productivity hacks that will change your life forever. Kicking off our list at number 10, the procrastinate technique. This is your secret weapon against the ever-lurking procrastination monster. Picture a timer set for 25 minutes of undisturbed, focused work. You're committed. No distractions. When the timer rings, it's your cue for a mini break. This technique strikes the perfect balance between work and play, keeping you motivated and refreshed. Moving on to number 9, the 2-minute rule. If a task takes 2 minutes or less to complete, do it immediately. Don't wait, don't postpone, just tackle it head on. It's amazing how much you can accomplish when you seize every small window of opportunity. At number 8, we have the batching method. Group similar tasks together to streamline your workflow. Answering emails, making calls, doing laundry, batch them up. It's all about efficiency and momentum, people. Impressive, right? But wait, there's more. Let's move on to number 7. Continuing our countdown at number 7, the early bird hack. The idea is simple yet powerful. Wake up an hour earlier than usual and dedicate this time to completing your most important tasks. No distractions, no social media, just you and your work. This quiet, uninterrupted time can improve your focus and productivity, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Moving on to number 6, the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to finish, do it immediately. This reduces the amount of clutter in your to-do list and prevents minor tasks from piling up. Lastly, at number 5, we have the time boxing technique. Allocate specific time slots for each task in your day and stick to them. This creates a sense of urgency, helping you stay focused and productive. We're halfway through our list. Are you ready for the top 4 life-changing hacks? Starting the top half of our list at number 4, the single tasking method. This method is all about dedicating your full attention to one task at a time. It might sound simple, but in an era of constant notifications and multitasking madness, it's easier said than done. By focusing on a single task, you're able to complete it more efficiently and with fewer errors. Moving on to number 3, the 2-minute rule. If a task will take you 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. This hack helps you clear minor tasks that can pile up and become overwhelming. At number 2, we have the Pomodoro technique. Similar to the procrastinate method, this technique involves working in focused intervals, typically 25 minutes, followed by a short break. It's a great way to break tasks down into manageable chunks and keep your brain fresh. Only one more hack to go, the most powerful productivity hack of all. Can you guess what it is? And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 productivity hack, the Pomodoro technique. This strategy is simple yet effective. It involves setting a timer for 25 minutes of uninterrupted work, followed by a 5-minute break. This cycle repeats until the task is complete. The Pomodoro technique stands out because it helps maintain focus, reduces fatigue, and makes large tasks manageable. It's the perfect solution for those pesky procrastination problems. There you have it, the top 10 productivity hacks that can transform your life. Let's quickly recap the amazing hacks we've covered today. We've delved into the world of productivity, revealing 10 powerful techniques that can revolutionize your daily routine. From the magic of the procrastinate technique to the wonder of well-timed breaks, these hacks are designed to fuel your productivity and help you make the most of your time. Think about those daunting tasks that have been staring at you. Now imagine conquering them with renewed vigor and focus, all while enjoying life's guilty pleasures during your well-earned breaks. It's not a dream, but a reality that's within your reach, thanks to these productivity hacks. If these techniques seem intriguing, why not give them a shot? Try them out, mix and match, and see the difference they can make in your productivity levels. Remember, productivity is not about being busy, it's about being effective. Start applying these hacks today and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for watching.